If you're craving achara but don't have papaya, use this simple recipe using string beans, eggplant, and carrots instead. Here are the ingredients you need to make this side dish recipe. Cut the string beans and set aside. Cut your eggplant lengthwise. Cut the ginger into sticks and set aside as well. Simmer string beans until tender. Don't overcook. Mix salt, pepper, vinegar, and sugar, along with the ginger and onions. Then, mix spices. Add liquids to veggies in a bowl. Add chopped carrots to the mixture. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This is perfect with fish, pork, and chicken. Enjoy!